Hello traders, in this video we're going to cover the Instruments tab copy method for each separate instrument for the ETP trade copier. Okay, so to be able to change the copy method, you must have obviously an instrument on the right side where your account instruments are, and see where it says exact quantity, click on the little gear wheel and a pop-up comes up. Now you can change the copy method from exact quantity. What exact quantity does is it copies the exact quantity from your leader account, from that instrument that the trade was or the order was, into your follower account. Fairly simple, right? And we also have the option of percentage. So if you want to copy, for example, let's say 50% of the trade. So if you're trading in your leader account, if you're trading 2 contracts or 200 contracts, you're going to only get half of those contracts in your follower account. So if I trade in my IT29923 account, 2 contracts, everything on the ES will be copied in my -A account as a 1 contract trade. We also have rounding methods. So for example, if you're trading 3 contracts from your leader account and you've got it set to 50% and your follower account can only do whole number of contracts, you can not round, but that's going to cause errors and Rhythmic is going to yell at you for that. You can round up or round down. Obviously, rounding down is mostly the best idea of doing rounding. That way you're always sure that you're not overextended. But rounding up means if it's 1.5, it's going to round up to 2. If it's rounding down, if it's 1.5, it's going to round down to 1. And if there's no rounding, it's going to stay 1.5 and Rhythmic will yell at you. And then you can also round for the decimals. Now, what we use rounding for, and I'm displaying this on futures, but this is mostly used and actually best used when you're trading crypto or Forex. That's where you can actually have the decimals, and that's where all this stuff actually comes in. Normally for futures, it's either round up or round down. No rounding is kind of risky because if you're going in with 3, then yeah, that's just a whole lot of business. Anyway, all you have to do is hit save to be able to save that, and you're done. That is all for the copy method. See you guys in the next videos.